So you have a flat tire and you're looking at it, the tread's still good and everything. You don't want to replace these tires, right? So we got to find the leak. So there's a few things you can do. You can air it up and jack it up and spray this with soapy water as you're turning it, looking for the leak, or obviously look for like nails or screws or anything. And if you don't find one, then you got to check around here. So you'll take this valve, of course you'll want to fill it all the way up there. Then you'll take this valve cap off and spray around here. Now obviously you can just hear it leaking out of there. What it's going to be is that valve core. They're not very expensive. You can usually get a kit with the valve core puller at one of the auto parts store. There's a valve core there. So the kit will usually come with something like this. So you can hear this thing just leaking. So you'll take this in here, yep. Oh boy, it done, trying to spin it out, done broke my valve core, but sounds like it's not leaking anymore. I was gonna put a new valve core in it, but man, smooth broke it. It would be nice if I can get this out, put a new one in it. But it looks like it broke this. Now you could buy better ones. It's just a cheap one. Slime 4-way tool with valve stems. Then after that, you just put some air in it. Now looking like just adjusting it. Looks like this one's going to hold air now. So I'll go ahead and get this filled up and we'll test it again. Well, got it aired up to about 33 psi. And it's not leaking. So just adjusting this valve core took care of this one. Look what car they have at the junkyard today. 74 Malibu. This one's actually for sale. Pretty complete car. Taking offers. That's not what we're here for today. So let's go out there and find the cars we need. Well, we're here for this one today. All right. Not losing any tools. We are here. Oh, this thing's beat. We are here for the passenger side. Little motor inside this door. So we're going to take this panel off and hopefully the little motor's still good. Well, this van's actually, the interior was actually in pretty good shape. So if somebody needed a good interior, they didn't know where to come. Anyway, let me get this off and see what we need's in there. Alright, well, got the door panel off. And I can say, honestly, I've never had one of these off. So I'm gonna guess that kind of looks like a window regulator, a window motor. Or maybe this is. And I think this is the actuator I need. So what I'll do is go ahead and take this number right here, search it on Google and see if that's what I need. Yeah, that kind of looks like a window regulator, I think. But then again, so does this thing. Okay, well, let me continue playing with this until I can figure it out, and we'll take the part off we need. Well, by looking at the part number, this little box is what I'm looking for. But I went ahead and took this whole thing just because I could. So hopefully this is what I need. Let's go and look for some more parts. Well, it's a beautiful 72 degrees December day in Arkansas. We got the Honda van here. Last thing we got to do to it is put these on, and it'll be ready to go. So we went ahead and put an oil pressure sensor on it. I took it to the Honda dealership, and they were wanting to charge me about $900. They said it was a VVT solenoid. So I went to the junkyard, got one, put it on, still nothing. So good old YouTube University and Google went ahead and figured out it was actually on the back here. Thereabouts there. Still can't see it very well, but anyway, there's a sensor right here on the VVT solenoid. It just unscrews, unclips the wiring to it, screw the new one in with the O-ring, put the wiring back in it, and there it goes. So that took care of that, and now we just got a little bit of rattle on the suspension on front, which we're about to take care of, and this van will be moving out to the car lot for sale. Well, I would say, just looking at this, there's nothing wrong with it. But you see how loose that is? You hear that? This one's actually, this side's pretty tight. This side's real loose. So, we'll go on with our new one here. I would get some Loctite, but this one has a lock nut, and it also has a Torx bit if you need to hold that while you tighten it. And see this one, much more stiff to move. So we'll get this one put on. Well, here's the old ones. So this one was good, the rest of them were bad. Or that one pivot. But anyway, got the new ones on there.